In this video, I want to show you how to switch between different HDMI devices on your Sony TV. So let's get started. Over here, just so you know, I have connected a Roku stick and also a Chromecast in my HDMI ports. Take your remote control and you're gonna notice there is an input button right over here. If you do not have an input button on your Sony remote control, I'll show you a second way how to do it. But first, let me show you. So I'll press once on this input button. All right. And over here, I will have all the devices that are currently connected in the HDMI ports in blue. Now, if you do not see your devices, over here, I only see antenna, AirPlay, and nothing else. It means that your devices may be turned off. So let's say you have a PS5 and it's turned off, but it's connected in the back using an HDMI cable. Well, it may not appear down below. So in my case, I will make sure that those devices over there have power. They didn't. This is why they're not there. I just wanted to demonstrate. Now that my devices have power and they're turned on, I'll press again on the input button. And as you see now, HDMI 1, HDMI 2 appeared. So go ahead using these buttons on the remote control and select the one that you want. So let's say HDMI 1. I'll click OK and it will bring me there on my Roku stick. To switch to HDMI 2, I'll press input, select HDMI 2, press enter, and here we go. This is my Chromecast. It's not working, that's why I get this screen. And you're gonna notice every time you press the input button, you may have new names above the HDMI telling you what is connected. So over here, Roku streaming. If this was a PlayStation, it will say PlayStation above HDMI 2, and yeah. So just so it's easier. So if you didn't have the input button, what you can do the second way, all right, is to go on the home screen of your Sony TV by pressing the home button, and then go all the way to the right where you get the cogwheel. Okay, once you get in the cogwheel, go in input, select it, and you're gonna have the same menu appearing down below. It's just easier by pressing the input button on the remote. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below. If you didn't like my video, I want to know why. So type a comment, okay? Take 2 minutes, type a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.